Hey there, food lovers! Have we got a dessert that'll have you on cloud nine? We created the most fluffy angel food roll cake ever. Ready to make this heavenly treat? Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Before our fluffy adventure, let's gather our ingredients. This is the first and most crucial step in creating a delightful angel food cake. Ensuring you have everything you need before you start will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, they're all supermarket staples. You won't need to hunt down any exotic items. Just a quick trip to your local grocery store will suffice. For the cake, use 1 cup of granulated sugar divided. This means you'll use part of it at one stage and the rest at another. Granulated sugar is essential for the perfect sweetness and texture. 1 cup of cake flour. Sift it well to avoid lumps. Sifting also helps to aerate the flour, which is key for a light and airy cake. 1½ cups of egg whites at room temperature. This is roughly about 10-12 large eggs. Room temperature egg whites whip up better and give more volume. 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This stabilizes the egg whites and helps them hold their shape. 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to your cake. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract is optional, but adds a lovely flavor. If you love a hint of almond, don't skip this. For the filling, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This will be whipped to perfection to create a luscious filling. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. This will sweeten the whipped cream without making it too heavy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. See? Nothing too crazy. This will enhance the flavor of the whipped cream filling. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's move on to the fun part: baking. With everything laid out and measured, you're all set to create a masterpiece. Let's dive into the process and watch the magic happen in the kitchen. Get ready to create something genuinely enchanting in the kitchen. Today, we're whipping up an irresistibly light, delightfully fluffy, and downright delicious classic dessert, angel food cake. This heavenly treat is perfect for any occasion. Whether celebrating with family, hosting a special gathering, or simply indulging yourself. Let's dive into the magic of baking. Your taste buds are in for a spectacular ride. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial because an adequately preheated oven ensures that your cake bakes evenly and rises beautifully. Next, lightly grease a 10 by 15-inch jelly roll pan. This will help prevent the cake from sticking to the pan and make it easier to remove later. Line it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the longer sides for easy removal later. The parchment paper acts as an extra layer of protection and makes cleanup a breeze. Whisk together 3/4 cup of granulated sugar with the cake flour in a bowl. Set aside. This mixture will later be incorporated into the egg whites, giving the cake its structure and sweetness. Beat the egg whites with an electric mixer until foamy in a large bowl. Egg whites are the star of this recipe, providing the cake with its airy texture. Add the cream of tartar and salt, then continue beating until soft peaks form. The cream of tartar helps stabilize the egg whites, ensuring they hold their shape. Gradually add the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar, beating until stiff, glossy peaks form. This step is key to achieving the perfect texture for your cake. Gently fold in the vanilla and almond extracts. These extracts add a wonderful flavor to the cake, making it even more irresistible. Gradually sift the flour mixture over the egg whites, folding gently until combined. Be patient and take time with this step to ensure the batter remains light and airy. Be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can deflate the egg whites, resulting in a dense cake. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. This ensures uniform baking. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the cake is golden brown and springs back when lightly touched. Keep an eye on the cake as it bakes to avoid overbaking. Once done, let it cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a perfect angel food cake ready to be enjoyed. As your cake bakes, take a moment to spread a fresh, clean kitchen towel across your countertop. It's the perfect touch to prepare for the deliciousness ahead. Sprinkle a generous cloud of powdered sugar over it, creating a delightful, sugary finish that will catch the eye. This step will help prevent any unwanted sticking later on, ensuring a flawless outcome. Once the cake is out of the oven, immediately invert it onto the prepared towel. Gently peel off the parchment paper. Working quickly, carefully roll the cake with the towel, starting from a shorter side. Let it cool completely, seam side down. This will help the cake keep its shape when you unroll it later. Now let's make that heavenly filling. Get ready to indulge in your fluffy dream. It's time for the exciting part, cream filling and assembly. Let's make it delicious together. In a large bowl, beat the heavy cream with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, beating until stiff peaks form. Carefully unroll the cooled cake and remove the towel. Spread the whipped cream filling evenly over the cake, leaving a small border around the edges. Gently re-roll the cake, this time without the towel. Use the parchment paper overhang to help you lift and roll. Your angel food roll cake is almost ready. We're on a fantastic journey to chilling for perfection, and let's not forget that patience is the key to achieving greatness. Get ready for an exhilarating ride. Wrap the rolled cake tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the cake to firm up for easier slicing. While it chills, you can imagine the fluffy, creamy goodness that awaits. This is the hardest part, waiting. But trust us, it's worth it. Almost there. It's decoration time. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and let your creativity shine. After chilling, dust the top of the cake with powdered sugar or cocoa powder. You can also get creative and decorate it with fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of melted chocolate. Let your inner artist shine. There's no right or wrong way to decorate your masterpiece. Remember that love is the most essential ingredient in any endeavor. Get ready for Cloud 9 dessert. Experience the lightest, fluffiest cake with fresh berries and creamy whipped topping for a taste explosion. Today we're making the fluffiest angel food roll cake imaginable. This cake is not just a treat, it's an experience. The batter itself is a cloud-like mixture that promises a melt-in-your-mouth sensation. This dessert is a slice of heaven. Its perfect balance of sweetness and lightness makes it ideal for any occasion. Light, airy, and flavorful. It's the perfect treat for family gatherings, celebrations, or even a regular day. Whether you're a baking pro or a newbie in the kitchen, this recipe is foolproof. The steps are simple, and the ingredients are easy to find, making it accessible. We'll guide you through each step, sharing tips and tricks to guarantee success. We've got you covered from mixing the batter to rolling the cake. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect texture and flavor every time. So grab your apron, preheat that oven, and let's get baking. The preparation is just as enjoyable as the final product. You'll feel accomplished with each step. Get ready for a delicious adventure. As you slice into this angel food roll cake, you'll see beautiful layers and feel the excitement build. Each bite promises delightful flavors. Your journey to dessert perfection begins now. Let's get started. Get ready for an exhilarating journey of kindness. Remember, sharing is caring, so let's unleash the fluffiness and spread happiness everywhere. Slice the cake into generous portions and serve. Each bite is a little taste of heaven. Don't forget to share photos of your creations on social media. Tag us so I can see your fluffy masterpieces. You can even share in the comments below. We can't wait to see your baking triumphs. Keep the sweetness alive until we whip up some magic in the kitchen again. Congratulations on baking the fluffiest angel food roll cake ever. We hope this recipe brought a little sweetness to your day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more heavenly treats. Also, ring that notification bell for more fluffy desserts heading your way. Thank you for watching. Remember, baking is more than just following a recipe. It's about creating something unique and sharing it with the people you love. Until our next adventure, happy baking.